Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best budget smokers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Grills Pioneer 450B Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Grills is the bomb when it comes to affordable pellet smokers. In fact, buying a pellet smoker on a budget used to be near impossible until Grills entered the arena. This right here, the Pioneer 450B, is Grills' entry-level model that makes pellet smoking affordable without skimping on what's important. In this 459 square inch, powder-coated steel body, you're looked after with the most precise PID auto temperature control to keep within about 5 degrees Fahrenheit of your target at all times. There's a simple LED panel that gives you real-time temperature updates, while the generous 15-pound hopper lets you smoke for about 15 hours, uninterrupted. If you want to grill, you can do it on this unit too. With the heat maxing out at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, just be mindful that you can only use the bottom rack for grilling. This will reduce your total grilling space to 324 square inches. But that's more than enough to throw on a lot of burger patties. But there's other nice-to-have features you normally wouldn't dream of getting in this price range. A manual feed button so you can push the temperature up faster, a hopper window to see how many pellets are left, and a hopper clean-out door too. Moving on at number 4, we have the Grills ZPG20008 Portable Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. If you like the idea of a pellet smoker but want something even more budget-friendly than the Grills 450B, check out the Grills Cruiser 200A. And, before you say, hold on, this is a portable grill, I want something to use at home, don't immediately rule it out. I used this barbecue to cook for my family of 6 for months just fine. Its 202 square inches of cooking space is modest. But, with some clever planning, you can easily accommodate a good number of hungry guests as well. Think compact cuts that go far, like pulled pork, half a brisket or a lamb shoulder. With a wide temperature range, you can smoke, grill, bake, roast, or braise just about anything. Just be mindful that the reduced cooking space means you're in closer proximity to the heat source. To counter this, even with the heat deflector in place, we recommend turning the meat during cooking to prevent the underside from overcooking or drying out. And, although the Cruiser 200A doesn't have a precise PID temperature controller like some more expensive pellet grills, it manages to maintain impressively consistent heat levels, typically staying within a 10 degrees Fahrenheit range throughout your cooking session. Furthermore, because you're dealing with a smaller cooking area compared to larger barbecues, the Cruiser's pellet consumption efficiency is particularly great. It's very cheap to run. At number 3, we have the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 Digital Smoker. If you like the idea of set and forget smoking but prefer that smoky or charcoal flavor, the smallest of the Masterbuilt Gravity series, the 560 Digital Wi-Fi Charcoal Grill and Smoker, is just that. This bad boy takes charcoal smoking to a whole new level because of one simple thing: automated temperature control. It's got a digital control panel that lets you set and monitor the temperature with pinpoint precision. Yes, you heard me right. It feeds charcoal automatically as needed. No more opening the lid and messing with the coals. No more worrying about flare-ups or burnt burgers. It's charcoal smoking made a whole lot easier. To fit into the budget smoker category, you're going with the smallest of Masterbuilt's Gravity series. But, you'll still get a decent 560 square inches of cooking space. That's split over 2 cooking racks, so you can smoke a brisket on one level and grill some veggies on the other. Oh, and did I mention it's got Wi-Fi? Yep, you can connect this bad boy to your phone with the Masterbuilt app. That means you can monitor and control the temperature from anywhere. You can be chilling on your porch, sipping a cold one, and still be the master of the grill. At number 2, we have the Weber 18-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker. Now, the Weber Smoky Mountain 18 inches isn't the cheapest vertical charcoal smoker out there. But, the price on these top-rated, long-lasting smokers is so good that we simply can't go past recommending it as the best budget smoker of its type. Solid, reliable and portable, this smoker is covered by an unbeatable in this price bracket, 10-year warranty. And, because it's Weber, everything from the durable porcelain-coated shell to the easily adjustable dampers, large, removable fuel door and accurate temperature gauge screams quality. Taking up just 18 inches by 18 inches of ground space, this Weber Smoky Mountain gives you 481 square inches of cooking space spread over 2 racks. That's enough for 4 racks of ribs or 2 pretty large cuts of meat at a time, which is usually more than enough for the average family or having a group of friends over. To prove that the Weber Smoky Mountain really is exceptional value for money, this model is known as a longtime competition-winning barbecue. Suitable for everyone from the most inexperienced novice to longtime meat smoking addicts. This Q will see you through years and years of incredible meals at home and on the go. And finally at number 1, we have the Pit Barrel Cooker Junior Package 14-inch Drum Smoker. Like the Weber 14 inches Smoky Mountain, this charcoal smoker is another really great quality, budget-friendly smoker. But, the difference between this one and the Weber is that the Pit Barrel Junior gives you the set-and-forget experience. At first glance, the Pit Barrel Cooker Junior might seem unassuming with its simple design, but don't let that fool you. The magic of this cooker lies in its simplicity. You won't find a bunch of knobs, digital displays, or complicated gadgets here. Instead, you've just got the intake damper at the bottom. Adjust this based on your altitude, yes how high above the sea you are, and it'll keep a steady temperature for you. Just hang your meat inside and wait until it's done. This grill is all about the art of hanging style cooking. It's how you can cook a lot in a small amount of space. And, if you're wondering why the Pit Barrel Junior doesn't even have a temperature gauge, it's because this is a fixed temperature smoker. It'll keep things steady at about the 275 degrees Fahrenheit mark, which we've confirmed with the Meter Plus, making it perfect for the pitmaster who wants fantastic results with minimal fuss. If you're on the move, no sweat. It's compact and portable, making it perfect for tailgating, camping, or simply finding that ideal spot in your backyard for the perfect cookout. Built tough with quality materials, this cooker can withstand the elements and is designed to provide years of barbecue joy without breaking the bank. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.